Ladies and gentlemen, today we are gardening, we are cleaning everything after winter. Well, it's already our third week, I think we are cleaning still everything around. So, with us today, there's Didi, who is from Texas.
Oui.
And she works with us, and to do some country style or cowboy vibe. Not Brokeback Mountain cowboys, but normal.
No.
Later we will cook some food with beans and bacon.
Okay.
On
Sounds
fire.
good.
Sounds
Okay.
good. Okay, and Claudie, that you know already, that is my neighbor who helps us a lot, who is here. Didi said that she doesn't, for the moment, do YouTube, but you can find her OnlyFans. It will be a link below.
Do
Oh,
I
I'm
make
sorry.
money on there?
Sorry?
Do I make money on OnlyFans?
It depends if you do cool stuff or not.
Okay. Okay.
Let's do some work. That's it.
Yeah.
Don't applause, please. Okay, so what we are cooking today, we put some beans. No, how do you say? Beans. Beans. Yeah. Okay, we put some beans, some bacon, and some chicken, and we are cooking it. So like this, we have some decent food today. this kind of stuff went wrong, no?
Yeah, why not just let this rot? This is how I work. Watch. How do you do it, Stan? Show me. Show me.
Use this tool, not the other one. You see this one? No, it's not. Check this out. It's already broken.
Oh, bend it.
This one for
Oh.
little leaves.
Oh. What do you think this was?
That's a good one.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm putting this sculpture on sale. I built it myself. Fire, time, metal. I wanted to keep it, but I need also to restore Château de Pannard. So, we are making an auction. It will last a week. There will be a starting bid. A starting price is $1,500. If you want it, you can send us an email on the address that is in the description. During a week, you can send your offers, and in the end of the week, we will choose one, the highest one, yes. All the money, 100% of the money will go for the restoration. If it doesn't reach the expected level, I think I will keep it. And also we can ship it worldwide. We organize delivery and the buyer pays the delivery. It can be a pallet, a container, a freight, whatever, we will organize it, just make your bids. Good luck. I did it last year. It's 2 meters high, almost 70 kilos, and near 1 meter width. And here it's like 30 centimeters. It can go inside or outside. We put some varnish on it, one color varnish. It was done for an exhibition that took place last summer in Jardin de la Périne in Laval. It was exposed there, so now he is looking for a new owner. Okay, so that's our intro for our OnlyFans channel.
Oh.
How we will call it?
Dee Dee and Stan.
No, nobody will watch it if it will be like this.
Well, what are we coming up with? Frenchie meets American? Russian meets
I don't know.
American?
I don't know. If you do Russians meet American, they will be expecting for some real BDSM.
Let's see, what will it be?
French steak for Texas.
Well, no, whatever. So, how was it this morning? Was it easy or was it difficult?
No, it's easy. It's just
easy.
cutting wood.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
for some people it's difficult, that's why
No,
I am saying.
it was good. It was keeping my mind busy.
Okay,
So I like that. I like work.
okay, that's cool.
So,
Do you have any joke to tell? Because, you know, sometimes we are telling jokes. If I'm doing stupid jokes, some people appreciate, some don't. But do you,
I told you I only know 2 jokes, and and they're both bad. They're both bar jokes. You don't,
More jokes.
You don't want to hear my jokes.
Here we have Pannard jokes, so it's not better.
Yeah, they're
so
both,
if you
they're
have
both-
one,
they're both bad jokes.
okay.
You can do it. No,
Yeah.
you can do it.
Okay, so one of them is, I think you know this one. There's a guy in the bar and he's drinking a beer and, you know, he drinks his beer and he's sitting there and he goes to the bathroom. And then so he drinks another beer and the guy sees him go to the bathroom again, right? And so like the third or fourth time, he takes his beer with him this time, and somebody comes in the bathroom and they go, "What are you doing?" And he's dumping his beer in the toilet, and he says, "I'm tired of being the middleman."
No. Okay.
The other one I can't tell. It's bad.
Okay, you will tell it out of the
Yeah.
camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what's yours?
Well, I don't have any.
My memory's
sorry.
bad, so
Mine is very bad.
yeah, my memory just goes.
Yeah.
So you know jokes. You know a lot of them. People tell you online.
Yeah, but
right?
sometimes it comes to me when the moment is something makes me think about a joke, everything, but not for the moment.
Right.
And sorry, it will probably come when we will continue working, because now we will do maybe half an hour more. Then I have to go. We have some welding to do somewhere. So that's it. And so we are almost done.
And then you're going to go to the horses later?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
We'll see the horses.
Okay.
Okay, and late in the evening you come back here to feed the dogs and everything. Yeah, so people who were asking about the cat. So the cat continues coming. I continue feeding him, but he doesn't let me touch him. Do you have any advice?
Is it male or female?
I don't know. He didn't.
You don't
say.
know? You haven't seen yet? How big
Oh,
is
yeah.
the cat? I haven't seen the cat.
Let's see, he has a year old.
Oh,
he,
okay.
he was a kitten when he was coming first, but I don't know, once I catched him like this and then he ran away.
Because he's feral. We call it feral cat.
Yeah, it's a wild
He's
cat.
wild. So the only way usually with a wild cat is to either keep giving him chicken,
Yeah.
like pieces of chicken, bribe him, and then don't try to grab him, because if you
sure.
grab him, he's gonna, and then feed him, and then slowly bring the food closer to him, closer, and then maybe touch the top of his head and show, because he's afraid of you. He's afraid you're gonna capture
When I approach, he runs away, but I don't
Oh.
care, till he's here, until he protects this place from mice and rats. He leaves his paws,
his tracks.
Yeah, his tracks on my clothes, because he likes to sleep on my clothes,
Clothes,
this
yeah.
little asshole.
Yeah.
I don't care,
Right.
he's just here and he's cute.
Yeah. And he keeps the mice down,
Yeah.
and that's what you need.
Exactly.
We call that a barn cat, usually,
Yeah. I think I
because
need to get some more and fluffy if possible.
Yeah, but then you have babies around and you got to get them all fixed or get them shots, or because they get sick, they get
Really?
respiratory diseases
yeah,
and all that kind of crap. And then you got dead cats all over the place.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Poor cats.
And then when you got dead cats, you got what kind of other bigger animals do you have here? Do you have
Here, okay,
coyotes
so
or
no, we don't have. We have
Fox.
here. We have a fox. We have a
They'll eat the cat.
badger.
Badger?
Badger.
Yeah.
We have a badger. There's some wild pigs, wild hogs.
Yeah.
We call it like this,
Yeah.
hogs. What else we have? Some
You're allowed to kill the
Deers,
wild
some
pigs.
deers.
sorry,
Some deers.
Little deers.
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 Yes.
Yeah.
We have deers. We have a squirrel. We have rabbits. We know where there's a hole.
Skunk?
Where, no,
No skunks?
we're not in the United States. No
Yeah.
skunks.
Do
Yeah.
you have snakes here?
Yes,
Any
but only snakes there are. They're not non-poisonous.
Not venomous, right,
Venomous.
okay. So they're good too, because they eat the mice and the rats.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And your squirrels too.
Yeah. Well, for the moment, we didn't see any mice. Just
That's good.
We saw squirrels in some videos, because we put some hunting cameras. So like this, they see if there's animals, and there's an animal path going through Pannard. So they enter, they exit, and during the night you can see some
Yeah.
animals. We have a bunch of
Because they're all
owls.
nocturnal. I almost ran over an owl yesterday. with
Really?
The car. Yeah.
Oh,
Flew
wow.
right in front of me, and I was just like, what the?
Oh, wow. Okay.
So I'm now aware that they're
Yeah,
out,
yeah,
because, we have owls in America, but you usually won't see them flying across the
Yeah,
road
yeah.
or something. The girl who works for me, she saves animals.
The one that wears a very short shirt, short or
Shorts
something?
now.
No?
She's 6'2", and
She's what?
6'2",
What is it?
6 feet
Oh.
2. So she
Oh,
comes to
I see.
right where your eyes are.
Okay.
And she saves snakes, rattlesnakes. Matter of fact, I have a picture of a rattlesnake in my phone she just sent me from last
Okay.
night. And she saves all sorts of creatures, birds. One time we were on a job and she was taking care of a little baby bird. So we brought it to work with us so she could be, you know, feeding it. And her mom was a veterinarian.
Okay.
So she's always been around animals.
Okay.
And like online, if somebody sees something, she'll go and rescue it.
Okay.
So
Cool.
it's really cool. And that's Sally. Hi, Sally.
Do you think she watches you?
Well, I'll tell her. I'll send her the link.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
And she'll be like, "Where are you?" I'll say, "I'm in the dungeon.
No, she's on vacation. No, she's on vacation.
I'm in the dungeon working."
Dungeon.
And she'll say, "No doubt," you know, because she knows I'm always working. I like to work.
Okay.
So,
Okay, let's go to burn
Okay.
some wood now.
let's go.
Okay. Do we look like Beavis and Butthead?
No,
No?
we look like American
Can you do like this? She said wiener.
Is that how they say it?
No, actually, you know, yeah, for sure. If you look at like they are stupid teenagers, it's one thing. But finally, you know, it was done by Mike Judge, who used to be a scientist before being a film producer. So actually, if you see the second level of humor, you finally understand that he mocks the society, and it's really very funny. Well, whatever. Okay, so now we did this zone. We continue doing the rest. It becomes quite decent, this place around.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Right? Goodbye. Au revoir.
No.
What?
Do you know what does it mean?
Au revoir means goodbye.
No, it doesn't.
What does it? What's
No,
it
I'm
mean?
just joking. It means goodbye, yes. Okay, so see you soon. Ladies and gentlemen, stay with us. Please like, subscribe.